Hi, I'm Dr. P.K. Talwar, cosmetic surgeon, New Delhi, and I'm practicing cosmetic surgery for more than 30 years now. Previously, I was attached to Apollo and Max hospitals, and now I'm running my own cosmetic laser surgery center at Greater Kailash Part 1, New Delhi. We get a lot of queries about the rhinoplasty, non-surgical rhinoplasties. And one of my audiences, they asked me what is temporary rhinoplasty and what is permanent rhinoplasty. So, see, temporary rhinoplasty is one in which we are making changes in nose for some time. Because those changes will last for very small time, say maybe a year or 2 years. So that will be a temporary rhinoplasty. Now the example is filler. Now if you want that your nose is depressed and it should be lifted up here, or the tip should be lifted up, the nasion in this area, frontonasal angles may be lifted up. So what we do, we usually use fillers, and by injecting fillers we can lift up the nose at different parts. Now that is temporary rhinoplasty, because this filler will not last forever. It will last usually for, you can say, 12 to 18 months time practically, or maybe 2 years, that's all. This will be called a temporary rhinoplasty. And a permanent rhinoplasty is one where we make structural changes by surgery. Like I put some cartilage inside, I make the nasal tip narrow by sculpting them. So if we work on the tissues and make permanent changes, so that is known as permanent rhinoplasties. Now, who wants temporary rhinoplasty? See, if your nose is not good and you want to look more beautiful, so would you like to have a temporary procedure, or you would like to have permanent procedure? Now that is one query. Now usually I have seen that people who are afraid of surgery, they usually want to see how they will look after surgery. So they go for temporary procedure first. They say, okay, you fill up this area I want to see, and if I am happy, yes, maybe then I will consider rhinoplasty after 18 to 24 months time. The second type of patient which I have seen are those who are likely to get married very soon, maybe after a month or 2 months, and we see that the results may take longer to come. There will be swelling, there may be bruising, tissues will not be well settled by that time, by the time they get married. So what happens then, they usually prefer temporary rhinoplasty. They make these changes, look more beautiful or handsome, and then they say then after marriage they may come back for the changes, permanent changes. So this is the basic difference in temporary and permanent rhinoplasty. That in permanent rhinoplasty we are making structural changes by augmenting or reducing the cartilages, or cutting some part of the nose, making them narrower or more beautiful. And temporary is one where we use usually fillers or threads, and there we expect that the changes will last for 18 to 24 months time, and then patient takes a call whether they want to go for a permanent change, or they are happy with that, or their purpose has been served, like I said, they get married or something like that. So this is basically a difference between temporary and permanent rhinoplasties, because there was a query regarding this, so that is why I made this video for all of you, and I am sure that I am able to clear doubts in your mind and to convey to you what to expect in a temporary rhinoplasty and what we can do in permanent rhinoplasty. But still, if any question you want to ask, please feel free to contact my team, and we will be very happy to answer all your queries. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe it. Thank you very much.